Let's have a look at how to change the LED light. Start by unclipping the diffuser. You can use a flat screwdriver to help you. Then remove all the clips that are holding the LED strip and take the connection out gently. Then simply pull apart the connector and reconnect your new LED back. Test the LED. Don't worry about the flashing, that's just our camera. Then put the wiring back in as the LED are working and replace all the clips. Be very careful to stay away from the plus and the minus on the LED. Then clip the diffuser back on. And voila, test again, it's working. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel.